Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Gonna take the R over to the car wash today and see if I can't just foam it. I'm not gonna run a brush against it, obviously, but as you can see, it's pretty dirty. I actually don't believe I have washed it since I have owned it. Isn't that terrible? But in all fairness, it doesn't get driven that much, so it's not like it's neglected or anything. But anyway, we're going to take it by and we'll give it a good wash, or a wash. See if just a foam wash at one of these I don't know, self-service car washes does any good. Let's see. Alright, a little bit of water on the camera, I guess, but let's take a look. Of course, we'll have to get it out into the open to see, but that's it. Pretty muddy in here. Ugh. Alright, found a place to stop down here by the river, you guys can see, and I thought we'd take a look. What kind of job did that car wash do? Still got a little bit of water on the car, and again, all I did was just spray foam it. Ew, you can see the sides there. I don't know how well that'll pick up on camera, but that's a spray foam wash and a high pressure rinse. And not very good. Not very good at all. It gets all the gunk off the car, I guess, but it doesn't get the filmy, dirty junk off. You can really see there on the back. Now, I've seen a lot of people talk about these foam cannons. Looks good here on the side in the shade. But I've seen a lot of people talk about foam cannons. You know, they hook a foam cannon up to their hose or whatever and then spray the car, and I can't imagine that it would do much better than what I just did at the car wash. I had a high pressure soap and then a high pressure rinse. Granted, it was from a really leaky hose nozzle, pretty crappy really, but as you can see from the car, it didn't do a really great job, particularly on the back. And as you guys can see, I did go around the car several times with the nozzle and stuff, so I'm not sure what more I could possibly do to make it come out better, but pretty crappy. And You know, I'm not going to use those bristles. You know, they have the brushes that you can put on the car, or go around the car rather, and spray it or wash it, whatever, with the bristly brushes. But you know, those brushes, like if you could see on the ground over there, guys take their trucks in there after they've been out mudding and stuff, and of course they use those bristles. You know, they wash the car off, and then that mud and grit and stuff gets embedded in those bristles, and then you run it around your car and you scratch the hell out of your car. So not something I want to do. I was hoping that I might get a little better result with the high pressure foam, or high pressure soap actually it was, but doesn't look very good to me. Let me know what you guys think. How do you wash your cars in the wintertime? You know, when it's freezing. It's 35 degrees out here right now, so it's not horrible. Now we have a spider crawling up the camera. Let's see if we can get it to crawl across the lens. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will see that or not, but yeah, I got a little spider. Yep, there he goes. Yeah, well, he's met his demise. Anyway, let me know what you guys do in the winter. I'd be curious. I mean, I could pull it in the garage and wash it, but then my garage is full of water in the winter, which isn't really very good. So I'd be curious to know. Some of you are probably going to say, well, you know, 35 degrees, that's no big deal. Well, I don't like to be out in the cold in water washing a car. So what's the solution? Let me know. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please click subscribe if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.